Guys, in this video we are going to solve the integral by parts x times cosine of x dx. So we know that in order to apply the integration by parts method, we have to identify two functions inside our integral. So we can see that we have here an x multiplied by a cosine. So we have two functions inside our integral, so we can apply the integration by parts method. So the integration by parts works using the formula, which is the integral of u times dv equals u v minus the integral of b du. So u in this case is one function of the two inside the integral, and dv is the function that is differentiate. So that function we have to integrate later on the formula. So let's identify our u as x. So u equals x and du equals dx, right? Because the derivative of x equals to 1. And dv is going to be equal to cosine of x dx. And now we have to find v, right, to use the formula. So v is going to be equal to, let's integrate both sides of this equation. So the integral of dv equals just v, and the integral of cosine of x is sine of x. So now replacing in the formula, we have that the integral of x cosine of x dx equals u, which is x times b, minus the integral of v times du. So we have here x sine of x minus, and the integral of sine of x is minus cosine, is minus cosine of x. Simplifying, we have sine of x, x sine of x minus, minus times minus is plus, cosine of x plus the constant of integration. So this will be our final answer. So now let's solve the same integral using NerdPal. So we open the app. Let's focus the integral. We get the answer. We can see the steps. We can see that the first step is to use the formula for integration by parts. Identify u and calculate the u. Identify the v, find v. Then calculate the integral of cosine. Now we replace the values of the formula on the integral, and we find that the integral of minus sine of x is cosine of x, and then we add the constant of integration.